Numerous surveys and studies are being done to facilitate the importance of the day's first meal, i.e., breakfast. The studies show that almost 1 in 10 Americans chooses to skip breakfast about their busy schedule. It's pretty hectic for most people who have a very tight schedule, and they believe that having meals is a total waste of time. This is also one of the primary factors responsible for the increase in the consumption of junk food and frozen items. These food items take minimal time to prepare, and you get the food served without wasting any time. We are not saying that you need to go all in and get the full spread on the table. It would help if you went for a few healthy items that are essential for your health and consume regularly. Various people don't truly understand the importance of breakfast, and for them, this blog is a must-read. We will jot down a few reasons that help convince you to include breakfast in the daily routine. The first one, averts weight gain. When you skip breakfast, there are high chances that your body will demand high calories in the later parts of the day. Multiple studies have gathered the data of those on their weight loss journey. 78% of these people reported that they have strictly included breakfast in their routine. The second one, balances blood sugar levels. The morning meal, or the one you will eat first in the day, will break the glucose in the body, which is also alternatively known as blood sugar levels. If you are eating healthy nutrients such as grains and fruits rich in protein, you will also be able to control any glucose fluctuation that might occur throughout the day. The third one, improving heart health. Breakfast is considered the most important meal of the day because of all the right reasons you can think of. It will help you stay awake and energetic throughout the day. It will significantly improve heart health by lowering blood pressure and balancing glucose levels. If you skip breakfast regularly, there are high chances that you will have high cholesterol levels, which are the primary factor behind any heart disease. The fourth one, better immune system. Yes, breakfast will help your immune system fight better with the winter cold or any common flu that might be spread out in your neighborhood. Among various studies done in the field, the one that holds significant importance is the one done in the Netherlands. Daily breakfast will help activate the body's natural antiviral, gamma interferon. The fifth one, better skin. Eggs are the best food item you can eat for breakfast, and they will impact the body more than just filling up the stomach. This meal is also the perfect fit to enhance the skin's overall health. The factor responsible for it is the presence of lutein, the antioxidant responsible for maintaining the skin's elasticity and protecting the skin cells. Apart from these benefits, a healthy breakfast will also help you get much better energy levels offered by carbohydrates, fiber, and protein. Such ingredients will restock the glycogen in the body, which is responsible for supplying energy to the muscles. A few studies also indicated that those who ate breakfast regularly lived much longer than those who didn't. So, today we are talking about few reasons why breakfast is an essential meal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.